Hi, welcome to another online marketing core video. I'm your host, Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to talk about how to build trust in your internet marketing audience. So let's get started. Building trust is complex. When not having it, a business is going to suffer, as not having trust, people will look anywhere else to receive what they want or demand. Luckily for us, there is a number of simple and easy steps that you can certainly take at the moment to get your site to be seen more reliable than it is right now. Number 1. Clean and professional. First impression typically make a lasting one. Therefore, it is very important that your web page give a decent and honest impression the time a visitor lands on your site. You can easily tell the moment a few online businesses do not take into account their consumers as priority in the web page development stage. All these businesses have no concern across the consumer's well-being and desires. Consequently, it is no surprise they do not put in any sort of effort at all in developing their online sites. Their sites often look terrible design, dishonorable looking. It is simply a total disregard of their clients. You may find out they do not have all their readers' attraction in mind when creating all these sites. Oftentimes, a lot of reliable business also does the corresponding mistake. What does this say about them? That they don't mind quite a bit in regards to their clientele. Consequently, why should you worry everything that they have to offer as well? If perhaps this is the amount of work, if you could call it that, they put it in building their web page, I don't want to know which way they would manage of their customer support. Number 2, ad-free zone. The moment you maintain an internet business and you have an internet site up that's merchandising products, please make sure to do not ever set up ads along with your products. Nearly anything that remotely will look like an ad is a no. Don't get me wrong, ads do get the job done tremendously for what they are. Although there is often an occasion and place for them, but not on your business sites. Number 3, present a seal. This is a choice that I propose you consider should you have the enough funds to support it. A seal for your web page is one of the very best approaches to present that you are a trustworthy business online site. Gigantic companies on the World Wide Web have these seals all plastered all around their internet pages, so when people perceive an identical seal on your web page, it will be less complicated to attain their trust that way. Yes, it may be high-priced, but it may very well get you more buyers and thus extra sales and profits in the end, considering that more people definitely will trust ordering from you. As I said sooner, this is only a solution. Nonetheless, it is a single I can certainly remarkably propose. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join my 100% free internet marketing mini course at www.onlinemarketingcore.com.